Hello, today I'm going to solve a challenge from picoCTF, and here the challenge name is Intro to Burp. So here is the challenge and let's just click on it. So something like this shows up, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to launch the instance to see the instruction of this challenge. So it will take some time to start, and as you can see, there is a time given, and what you have to do is you have to solve any challenge within the given time. Okay, so there is a part of hints, so if you stuck anywhere you can see the hints for help. And let's just come to the description part for this challenge, and it says try here to solve, find the flag. So what we have to do is we have to find a solution of this challenge, and after finding it we will see a flag on there. So we have to copy that flag and paste it in this section, in this part, and then submit the flag. So let's just try to analyze it first. Okay, so it is a registration form, so let's just put any value in here. Let's just say I put ABCD in here, and then 1 2 3 4. You can put any value if as you like. So let's just now click on register. So it is asking for an authentication OTP, so I'm going to put some fake authentication value and then click on submit. So it says that invalid OTP, right? So as you can see, the registration is stuck in this page. It cannot go to the next page because the OTP is invalid. So I assume what we have to do is we have to do something in this page to avoid the invalid OTP verification, and then we will try to go to the next step. To do this, what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to copy this link in here, and then I'm going to paste it in another browser where I have connected it to Burp suite. Okay, so this is Firefox Mozilla, and I will go to the extension Foxy Proxy to enable Burp suite, and I will also going to open Burp suite Community Edition. So it will take some time to open Community Edition. Click on next, start Burp. So what it will do is Burp suite will help us to analyze what is happening behind this registration page. So this is Burp suite Community Edition, and right now I'm going to go to the proxy section. So as you can see, it shows intercept is off. So we have to turn on the intercept to analyze what is happening behind the scene and what kind of request is sent by the Chrome browser and what kind of response we are going to get. So let's just turn it on, and I'm going to do the same thing again, putting some random values in here. So as you can see, since it is connected to Burp suite, we have to forward the request from here, from this section, and we will just go step by step to analyze what is happening. Okay, so it brings us to the same page, authentication page, and we will do the same thing again. Submit, forward, and then it will again show the invalid OTP. So I'm going to go one step back to analyze, and I'm going to submit it again. So as you can see, we have to do something in this page, something in this page, this area, to avoid the authentication or avoid the OTP part, right? So first we will do some experiment in repeater. So in repeater, you can see that there is two sections, request and response, right? So anything that is requested, if I send it in here, it will show an example of response what might be shown in the actual browser. So it says that invalid OTP. We have seen this before in the browser in reality. So let's just come back to the request part, and let's just try to manipulate some part to edit some area to avoid the OTP part. Let's just get rid of the OTP part so that we can go to the next step. Okay, so here is the OTP. As you can see that the value we have put in here is shown in here, right? So we can do one thing, since we need to avoid the authentication page or the OTP part, we can delete this and send the request again to see what happens. Okay, so as you can see, it says welcome, you successfully bypassed the OTP request. So we have solved the challenge, it says, and it also shows us the flag that we need to submit, right? So this was our experiment. Now we have to do it in actual registration page. So what we have to do is we will get rid of this part, and then we will click on forward, and as you can see, it's showing in the browser, right? The result is showing in the browser that we have bypassed the OTP request, and here is the flag. So we have to copy the flag, and then we have to paste it in here and then submit, and see, I have already solved this challenge.